Hello kids, today I am going to show you how to complete this activity in a laptop or computer. Okay, so let's read the instructions carefully and then let's complete the activity. So over here, the first instruction is create a Google document and name it as planets. Okay, so let's quickly create a Google document first. So I'm going to open a new tab. In the new tab, this is my Google homepage. And from top right corner, I'll open Google Apps Launcher, and then I'm going to select Docs option from here so that we open Google Docs homepage. Now the first thing that we should do when we open any application is check whether you are using your own school email ID or not. So in the top right corner, you can check whether this is your own school email ID or not. Now this is my school email ID. Okay, so I'm correct. And now I'm going to click on this big plus sign, that is the blank document. You can also create a Google document from Google Drive. Now let the document get loaded. Once the document is loaded, we will name it as planets. Remove this untitled document and name the document as done. Now let's check the next. Type names of any three planets of our solar system in this document. So now I'm going to type first Jupiter, second Saturn, and third Venus. Typed name of three planets of our solar system. You can also change the font type of it. Go to the next one. After writing the names of the planets, make a copy of this document and name it as information about planets. So we have to make a copy of this document and name it as information about planets. So we'll click on file, select make a copy option and name it as information about planets. Make sure that your this document is saved in this folder only, that is my drive. Okay, after making sure of that, click on OK. A new document opens in front of you. Let the document get loaded. Till then, let's see what our next instruction is. So next, we have to search the web for information about the planet that you have mentioned using any search engine. So we have to open any search engine. Now, what do we mean by search engine? Search engine is a software that we use to search information. Okay, so Google is a search engine, Yahoo is a search engine, MSN Bingo is a search engine. Okay, so and then we have to type 2 lines of information for each planet in the copied document. Okay, so in the copied document we have to write 2 lines of information about each planet, and we can search the web for this. Okay, so let's open, this is our copied document. Let's open a new tab. This is my search engine, Google. Okay, now I'm going to type Jupiter planet, and see there is a very good website. Okay. Now this is also Wikipedia information. See over here in the right hand side, or you can directly open this Wikipedia. You can open this Britannica. There are so many different websites. Britannica is a good website for students and kids. So we can open this one. Okay. Okay, see, Jupiter, the most massive planet of the solar system and the fifth in distance from Sun. So we can take this line of information first. Copy it. Right click, copy it, and come in the copy document and put this in front of. We can change this afterwards. Then this one is also good. It is one of the brightest objects in night sky. Only Moon, Venus, and sometimes Mars are more brilliant. And copy this. Right click and copy, and then put it in front of Jupiter again. We are done with Jupiter. Our next planet is Saturn. Okay, so let's search for Saturn. We can go back. And over here, we can type Saturn. Okay, let's open the Britannica website only. Saturn, second largest planet of the solar system in mass and size, and the sixth nearest planet in distance to the Sun. In the night sky, Saturn is easily visible to the unaided eyes as a non twinkling point of light. We can take these two lines of information. Right click, copy it, come to the copy document, right click and paste. Saturn is done. Next one is Uranus. Let's check. Go back to our search engine. Okay, and let's check for. Let's open the Britannica website only. Uranus, seventh planet in distance from Sun and the least massive of the solar's four giants or Jovian planets, which also include Jupiter, Saturn, Neptune. At its brightest, Uranus is just visible to the unaided eyes as a blue-green point of light. Okay, so we can copy this, right click, copy, come back to the copied document, right click and paste. I guess we have written this Uranus spelling a little bit wrong. We can correct it like this. Okay, so this is my copied document. You can leave one line in between if you want so that it looks nice. Your choice if you want that. Okay, now let's go back to the doc form. Now we have to attach both the documents here. Okay, we are done with both the documents. We have to attach both the documents. So we will click on add file and then we will select my drive, and in your drive you will see two documents. If you don't see, you can search for planets. Our first document's name was planets. You will search for planet, insert it, then click on add file once again, go back to my drive again, and then search for information about planets. See over here, then select it, it is added. Both the documents are here. We are done with everything, and now we just have to click on submit. I hope this was clear for you how to perform this activity.